So this is IFTEX Clean System. This is basically an additive for two-wheelers or three-wheelers, not for four-wheelers. Four-wheeler, they have a different product. So it looks like this. It comes with this much of cabin, and here you can measure like half full. So basically for using this, you need to use this first time like 10 ml in your full tank, and later every refuel you need to put per liter like 2 ml per liter. So you can calculate according to your vehicles fuel tank capacity, and this helps to improve the mileage, cleans the injectors, carburetors and spark plugs, reduces smokes, and improves pickup, and gives a smoother riding experience. And this is compatible for like BS3, BS4 and BS6 engines, and it definitely increases the fuel economy as per the reviews I have read. I will use this product and I'll let you know how it is working for my vehicles. And it removes the deposits like from the injectors and carburetors, like gum type of deposits it will be there. So it will remove this also, and it will also keep the intake and combustion chamber free of deposit buildups. And so basically it will stabilize your pickup and help to improve that your vehicle's pickup, and it will protect the engines again rusting and corrosion, because in our country we are seeing E20 fuel, E22, E30, E85 is coming. So you can, if you are an older vehicle, and you can use this as an additive just for prevention, because it will definitely help your vehicle to survive in the long run. Because if you don't use this, like your fuel might ultimately damage your vehicle's tank, rubber seals and fuel lines. So just to be cautious, you can use this, and this definitely helps. I will paste the product link and you can check the reviews of this product, and I will also post another separate video for reviewing this. So thanks for staying, and do like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.